Valve announced the Steam Machine and Steam Frame are officially scheduled to land in summer 2026 in a blog post about something else entirely. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Valve made the big reveal in a developer-focused blog post about the Steam Machine and Steam Frame being included in the Verify program, which launched with the Steam Deck, and it lets players know how well games will run on the handheld. The Verify program will do the same for the Steam Machine and Steam Frame hardware. Steam Machine, the requirements for a verified badge are nearly identical to the Steam Decks. As for the Steam Frame, Valve says the Steam Frame standalone Verified program focuses on the experience customers will have with the device out of the box in standalone mode. The criteria includes default graphics configuration, clear text and UI elements, and legible on the built-in display, and the default controller configuration needs to work well with the Steam Frame controllers. There's been plenty of speculation about the cost of Valve's hardware since it announced the Steam Machine, Steam Frame, and Steam Controller in November 2025, and due to the price hikes of gaming consoles and PCs in 2026, there's no clear word for it. Recently, the Steam Controller hit the market, costing only $99, which is a perfectly reasonable price for a well-crafted non-PC controller with touchpads. Steam has also updated its store homepage as well. Valve gave it a refresh that organizes chaos of all those game ads with wider, higher res images and more quick-look details at your fingertips. Wishlist and DLC sections have returned, and there's a new personal calendar with even more game promos based on your play history. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.